Hello, my name is Anastasia Fani. I'm from the class 2021 Economic Education Study Program NIM 059. Here I will explain about the understanding of the economic view of the psychiatrist of merkantilism. Before entering further material, let us first discuss the view of the psychiatrist and the view of the merkantilist on the economy. Mercantilist view of the economics is that if a country wants to progress, then the country must trade with other countries. The trade surplus in the form of gold and silver reserve is a sort of state wealth, while the view of Pacific countries that natural resources are the source of wealth. In the 14th century, there was a French Revolution that allowed the transition of power from the king and the courts to the merchants of merchants. The area in which the merchants ruled was called mercantilis. The understanding of mercantilis greatly exerted trade and commerce to achieve property. The greater the surplus, the higher the property. Mercantilists adheres to the following ideas. 1. A country trade surplus is a sign of the country wealth. 2. The possession of precious metal means the possession of gold. 3. In a trade transaction, there will be a party who benefits and there is a party who suffer a loss. This understanding of mercantilism requires government intervention in the economy. Unfortunately, the practice of state intervention is mostly enjoyed by entrepreneurs who cooperate with entrepreneurs so that the existing wealth is enjoyed by the rulers only. Because of this, a new understanding emerged, namely the understanding of psychiatrists. The psychiatrists believe that natural resources are a source of wealth where good create natural flow of harmony and harmony. The psychiatrists understand about the economy that is economic active. There is no need for government intervention. Humans are free to do what is best for themselves without government interference. There are three things to make the psychiatry famous, namely 1. Psychiatrists believe that the theory is scientifically objective and success in compiling a comprehensive view of the economic order. 2. This school gives rise to term laissez-faire to this day. 3. The study of psychiatrists answer where national income comes from and how it is distributed among members of society. Psychiatrists divide society into 4 groups. 1. Productive class of society. 2. Landlord class. 3. Unproductive class. And 4. The working class of society. In both psychiatrists and mercantilist view of the economy, there are several figures behind the view. Let's discuss its further. Psychiatrist economic figure or psychiatrists. 1. Francis Quisney. 2. Plato. 3. Sir William Petty. 4. John Locke. 5. Jacques Turgot. And in mercantilist, 1. Jean Bourdin. 2. Thomas Moon. 3. Jean-Baptiste. 4. Sir William Petty. 5. Sir Douglas North. And 6. David Hume. In the study of political economy, mercantilism is the first school that required government intervention in the economy. Government intervention in the economy can be done in many ways, including by importing facilities for advanced industry, monopolizing trade, or imposing import tax. The purpose of state intervention is none other than to increase the surplus. If more surplus is paid in the form of gold bar, the country will automatically get richer. Fewer from the economic aspect, mercantilism is the first example of the primary of politic model, where the economic served to serve politics as a reflection of power relation. This is different from the nation of prerogative with priorities freedom, where the government does not need to interfere in economic matters. Humans are given the freedom to make their own choice. They believe that the law of nature, which is full of harmony and harmony of place at a time, anywhere, and in any situation. The theocratics believe that the economic system is also similar to nature, which is full of harmony. Thus, every human action in meeting their respective needs will also be in harmony with the prosperity of the community at large. From what we have discussed above, we can conclude several points. 1. Socrates grew as a critique of mercantilism. 2. The core of Socrates consists of farmers, landowners, and trades or industrialists. 3. Sort of Socrates that stand up in the development of economic other than the circle of economic flows, namely the theory of value and price, which is divided into three, namely the basic price of goods, the selling price of the price that must be paid by customers. The theory of money that he put forward is as a field of money and the need for taxation for economic purpose. 4. Contribution of thought by other Socrates, namely Jacques Turgot, have two main contributions to economic thought, namely the theory of money as a field, and the theory of fluctuation. From the explanation above, we can understand what Socrates is and what mercantilism is. That's all from me. Thank you.